the Kulayaan LGBTQ here in Lang Stadium recently collapsed due to fatigue. In as much as I have learned since this morning, they are on fun run. Perhaps it's only for because of over fatigue. Because in the afternoon they have their another activity here, the showdown. It is mabuhay. Okay, so I think that participant came from Basilan. And the rescue of Lang arrived just few minutes only. This is it, my on-the-spot report here in Lang's Stadium. As I featured the culmination activity of Pride Month is June. So it's already July and it's their culmination activity. Tonight they will be having their Kulayaan search, and according to my information, a big amount will be given by Congressman Samantha Talino Santos. I would like to interview Sana, but I did not make it because of many concerns a while ago. So I just have my picture with Kong, and my request was also granted, a picture with Kong. So this is the exact venue of the search for Kulayaan. What I've heard, 100,000 is the price at stake for whoever will be declared the queen tonight of Kulayaan. But I will not be joining. Mabuhay. Okay, Mabuhay channel. Wave to the camera. So they are the supporters. Yeah, okay. Mabuhay channel. Okay, wave. Wave to the camera. Mabuhay. Your name? Yeah, Kalayaan 24. Sponsored by
Samantha Santos.
Kong. Okay, so this is it. Thank you. So it's very comfortable. They have also their CR there. Yeah, the CR being provided. Hi, mabuhay. Wait to the camera. You're also a participant. Congrats mo lang. Okay, so this is a day in the life of a vlogger. They're almost done, but I think I need to go home now. In as much as I'm also feeling tired already since this morning of my coverage. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. I'm your vlogger, teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, sharing you glimpses of what happened of the Kulayaan celebration LGBT Pride Month June culmination activity. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Erlinda Rindon, and my Facebook, and share also my my vlogs, my video. Follow me, my channel, and my mabuhay everyone. Mabuhay. Okay. This is it. Follow me on my 2 Facebook account and 1 page, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, and 2 Mabuhay channel, Erlinda Rindon, mabuhay pa rin. We are very safe because in a distance we have the police officer. They're guarding us, and they were able to rescue on time the participant that was collapsed a while ago. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. So Mama, how is the situation? Please describe their activity. 1 word.
Everything is under control.
Under control. Man being, police officer. Sir. 1 word, sir. Sir officer. Sir Napat. Safe. How about Sir Banay-Banay?
Same. Back to you guys.
Okay, 1 word. Okay lang. Okay. I will have a picture with you, ha? So this is my picture, police officers of Lang, and they're here for our safety. Thank you for being with us this afternoon as I make my coverage with the LGBTQ culmination activity. Live and alive, I'm here in Lang Stadium. Your vlogger, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. And mabuhay! morning, in the afternoon. This means you hope, new life, new beginning. Mabuhay and good morning until my next vlog. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Long live, good person, good life. Thank you for viewing my channel. Mabuhay.